Yes, welcome to this channel. Uh, this is where we talk about how to make money online, and we also talk about cryptocurrency, how to trade in cryptocurrency. Today I want to talk about 5 ways to make a passive income. There are 2 types of income. We have active income, we have passive income. Active income, you are making money by trading your time. This kind of income that you have to be there in order to make an income. Some passive income, you make money without your effort or with your little effort, or sometimes you just put some kind of an income or capital on it, and it keep on generating income in your absence. Things like real estate can generate income even when you are not actually actively involved in it. So I just want us to look at these steps 5. If you are really looking for passive income, you can either do all this, or you can choose that which is very much comfortable with you. Without much further ado, let us just go straight to the point. Number 1. Well, let's just go straight to the point and see at this kind of income that you can work passively to get income on a monthly basis. So the one of the passive income that you can make to generate we have what is called CryptoBot. CryptoBot are IA automated bots that will are being used in the cryptocurrency in the crypto, about trading cryptocurrency, and sometimes price goes up, sometimes price goes down. So this can be used to in the trading because of the up and down of the downtrend of the up and downtrend of the cryptocurrency. So they follow certain algorithm that can be linked with the currency that you are trading, so that they can buy and sell in your absence. They're just automated to work in such a manner. I'll talk about more into details on how to do that, but because I don't want this video to be very long, just want to understand that that's one of the ways that you can use to get a passive income. The coin that you are invested in keep on buying and selling, and in that you keep on making profit. You can make 2 to 1%, 2%, 3%, depending on the system, how it is set to work. Or number 2 is to start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel is one of the best passive income. So I'm talking about this because most of the YouTube creators have got YouTube channel where they are getting a passive income, just teaching people on various things that people are looking for. People want to know about doing things, and when you start an YouTube platform, you can teach people how to do certain things. There's certain niches that are very, very productive, profitable niches like health niche, happiness niche, lifestyles, how to do something, financial niche. We got different niches, fitness niche, how to teach people about fitness. About how to lose weight, how to cook. There's so many comedy niches. There's so many things that one can do on a YouTube, and it can generate income for a very long time. So that is number 2. Number 3 is selling digital product. The digital product you can sell online courses. You can also sell arts. You can sell arts. You know about NFT, non-fungible tokens, that you can sell, and you can do that on an online platform where you can just sell on your behalf. So we also have different places where you can sell templates, like Etsy, where you can sell templates for money. And these ads, you can sell them in various places. There are different various platforms where you can sell ads. Another thing is you can track. This is called Amazon. This is Amazon Kindle, making low content books. Low content books are books like journals, books like notepads, where you can only make a design the cover. Once you design the cover, and now you make the inner pages by lubricating that, and once you have made that low content books, they are not books you write in full. You just make them. They are called a low content book because they only consist of the design of the cover, and that is being used to you can use that to sell on that platform. You can use it to make a design and put it on Amazon and sell it. And once you put it on Amazon, they can print it for people who want to buy your design, the design book, your notebook. People want to buy, and they pay you every time someone purchase that low content book. You get paid. And the fifth one that I will just want to talk about lastly is printing on demand. And again, so printing on demands are there. You can print different designs on the t-shirts, and you have a different logo. You can print this and make them in a very design way. This can also be put on Amazon, and once someone love the design, they can be printed and have the yeah, that's how we make money on Amazon. Once somebody make a purchase, Amazon will have that product sent to them and you get paid. Till then, see you.